two of my favorite sunscreen now. I met this one first. Non-sticky and white, no white cast siya. As in, parang magiging Korean skin na hindi mo na kailangan mag-makeup. Ito naman, kakagamit ko lang. Tone Up UV Elixir Sunscreen. Ano naman siya? Non-sticky, non-greasy, broad spectrum naman siya. Napansin ko yung difference nila. Ito kasi mas nauna kong gamitin. Tapos, matipid ko siyang ginamit kasi syempre nung una, by accident ko lang siya nabili. Tapos namahalan ako, 500 pesos namahalan ako. Tapos ang liit niya. Tapos, tinitipid-tipid ko siya. And in fairness naman, kapag dot lang yung nilalagay mo, madami na yung coverage niya. Tsaka hindi mo na kailangan talaga mag-makeup. Or hindi lang talaga ako pala makeup. Tapos naubos na siya. Siguro after 6 months, naubos na. Bumili ako ulit. Nagulat ako, ba't bumaba yung presyo niya? Naging 300 or 200 na lang. Nagulat ka ako kay ate. Or may ginamit akong discount, 10% discount. Pero anyway, nagulat ako. Ganun siya kamura na. Tapos eto naman, kakagamit ko lang nitong bakasyon. Kasi sabi ni ate, meron na daw itong parang toning effect. Yung tipong hindi mo na kailangan mag-foundation. Siguro nasanay lang ako dito. Anyway. Sige, try natin. Switch. Ang lamig-lamig ngayon. Get ready lang ako for breakfast sa baba. Favorite na lipstick. Pakita ko. Favorite na lipstick ako eh. Nabili ko lang din siya by accident. Kasi sabi ko sa inyo, hindi talaga ako pala makeup. Diba? So, yung mga makeup na meron ako, may recommendation niya na out of the counter sales lady. Ito kita ba? Binili ko to nung nagki-Christmas shopping ako. Can Make. Hindi kita. Ayan, Can Make. Japanese brand siya. Kasi ang gusto ko is lip gloss na lang. Kasi sobra mag-dry yung lips ko. Lalo na kapag naglalagay ako ng kahit anong lipstick. Dry siya agad. Wala pang ilang oras. Nagpipil na yung labi ko. Maputla kasi ako, so tinted na lip gloss. Magaganito lang tayo. Ayan. Tapos magpapalit lang tayo ng damit. And look at this. In the balcony, and ayan yung pool, and if you can see the train, sobrang lapit na view for the train, kaso sobrang fog. Okay, I need to find my way to the buffet area. Hanapin na natin yung buffet. Gutom na ako. Lagi naman gutom. Sige, sabihin mo kung content creator ka without telling me you're a content creator. Ano? So this is my first breakfast.
siyang cereal. Masarap yung pho. Pero problema ko na, hindi ko na siya bet. Tirador ng orange. Masarap yung orange nila. And then round ko na dito. Round ko. Ganda ko na nakain.
Na kumain. Ako yung huling lumabas sa buffet. Bakit ba? Sinulit ko yung pagkain. Pero umikot lang naman yung kinain ko sa orange at cereal. Hindi ako nag-rice. Ay, parang busog ako. Siguro it's the weather. Fog pa rin. Pero sabi kasi nila, every 30 minutes dumadaan yung train. Wala pa rin. Pero look ko, ayun lang kasi yung train station, oh. O, diba? Pero may naririnig ako. Ayan siya. Sobrang fog. And I don't think they will allow us to use the pool. Ayun. Sobrang lamig, tsaka parang hindi rin malinis. So, ang next activity ko for today, I will be going to Katkat Village. And, pina-follow up ko dun sa kausap ko sa Katkat Village kasi meron silang free ride from the hotel. Tapos bahala na ako kung paano ko uuwi. Oh my God. Asan na yung charge? Daumingse. Ako si Sancho. Ang lamig. Grabe yung fog. Balik muna tayo sa hotel kasi iniwan ko ng magulo yung hotel. Ay, yung hotel. Iniwan ko ng magulo yung room. Kasi sobrang kagabi pagka-uwi ko. Pagkarating ko dito, sobrang pagod ko. Tapos hindi ko alam kung makikita pa kami ni TL Ridge. Kasi check out na nila. Bali, wait ka lang naman. Oh my God. Nilinis nila yung kwarto. God! Ang gulo pa naman ako. Naglinis sila ng kwarto. Punta na ako ng Katkat Village. Na-late yung pipick up sa akin. Dapat alas 9 pa lang. Almost 11 na. So, ayan. Outfit check. Nagpalit ako ng jacket. Kasi mamaya pupunta pa tayo ng Fansai Pan. Yung black yung susuotin ko. Yun lang. Hindi ako nagsusuklay dito. Walang pakialamanan. Let's go! Okay, my busy stylist. Okay. Yep. I have fun story to share. One of my favorite parts of traveling is experiencing local cultures, especially through traditional outfits. I was excited to do this in Hoi An, but the travel distance didn't work. Fortunately, I found an amazing opportunity in Sapa through TikTok. I checked the reviews and inquire via Messenger. The best part, no down payment needed. They offer full package that includes dress rental, hair makeup, and photographers for unlimited outdoor shoots. Final look. Okay. Yeah, I'm a totally different person. Oh my God, the shoes is too small. I mean too big. I have all the props with me.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
your friend, you come along.
Yeah. I was supposed to have two dresses, one for outside the village and one for Katkat village. However, since they picked me up late and I had another place to explore, I only got one to try.
Okay, go, Timmy. Yes, yes, yes. Up. A little bit more.
Outdoor photo shoots can be exciting. However, even though I've done them before, I still get a little bit shy. There are always people around like cars driving by.
Yes, yes.
Once, I'd noticed some tourists taking pictures of me with their phones and cameras, which was kind of funny. It can definitely be challenging. The next video will tell you what I mean. Oops, I told you. I got too many photos to share, but here are some photos I'd like to share with you.